Okay, so we know what waste is. Now, how do we find it? That's where value stream mapping, VSM, comes in. Think of it as creating a visual roadmap of your process. It helps you see the flow of materials and information, highlighting where things get bogged down, delayed, or generally messy. VSM is all about getting a bird's eye view of your process. You map out the current state, what's happening right now, warts and all, and then you can map out a future state, which is your vision of an improved process. Here are the key elements you typically map. Process steps. These are the individual activities that make up the process. What are the specific actions taken? Time. You track both the processing time, how long the step actually takes, and the lead time, how long it takes from start to finish, including any wait time. This is where you often find the biggest surprises. Wait times can be a real killer. Information flow. How does information move through the process? Emails, meetings, systems? Where are the bottlenecks? People involved. Who are the individuals or teams responsible for each step? Are there any handoffs that cause delays or confusion? Try it on a simple process you do every day. Like making a sandwich, except going lean isn't about cutting calories. It's all focused on efficiency. You shouldn't feel the need to cut corners. Hey, hands off my crust, that's the best part. Especially when it comes to product or service quality, customer or client satisfaction, and workplace safety. Focus instead on making smart moves that don't compromise these areas. VSM helps you visualize the entire process, making it easier to pinpoint areas for improvement. It's like turning on the lights in a dark room. Suddenly, you can see all the clutter. Hey, you gonna eat that?